Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2009 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, leather trim seats, sync, satellite communications, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.